Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have come up with this look. This is a super glam look. If you want to wear glam look for Diwali or anytime marriage or anything. So yeah, this is my look created for Diwali. All the Huda Beauty products I have. If you go brand wise, I think I have most of the Huda Beauty products. Like for Huda Beauty brand, I have a lot of products. Huda Beauty's products are very good. Eyeshadows I love so much, foundation, concealer, everything I love about this product. So yeah, and whenever I try anything about Huda Beauty, I always feel like doing something in Arabic style. I don't know why. So yeah, I thought of something else, but whenever I try to do any kind of makeup using Huda Beauty, I just go for Arabic style. If you guys wanted to see how I have created this look, then keep on watching. And also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get started. So today I am going to create a look using all the Huda Beauty products. I have the most of the Huda Beauty products in my, if you go for brand wise, I think most of the products are from Huda Beauty. So I'm going to use this one. This is the Huda Beauty Fauxfilter foundation and I'm in the shade brown sugar. So this is a matte foundation. It stays for a longer time. I have used it a lot. Before that, I'm going to prime my face. I'm going to use this one. This is the MAC strobing cream. So this is going to give hydration to my skin. This brush I'm using from Sigma Beauty. It's the moisturizer. It is for the moisturizer. I have got that brush set off from Sigma. For the center portion of my face, wherever I have little bit of pores, this is the Benefit Pore Fusional Primer. And I'm not going to apply it on all over my face. I just want to apply it on the center portion of my face. Next, I'm going to go for the foundation. So I forgot to color correct, so I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Concealer to color correct near my mouth. Let it settle like the creamy concealer. The orange color corrector is quite creamy, so I want it to dry a little bit. Meantime, I'm going to apply the foundation on all the other places of my face. Now I'm going to dab the orange color corrector. Next, I'm going to take my beauty blender, and you can see there is so much uneven application, so beauty blender is going to pick up the extra. Next, I'm going to contour, add shadow to my face. So I'm going to use this one. This is the Huda Beauty Medium Tantour Contour Bronzer Cream. The shade medium looks like this. So I'm going to take the same foundation brush and I'm going to add some shadow to my face. It blends beautifully. I came too much down. Next, I'm going to use the concealer. This is the Huda Beauty, the Overachiever concealer. The foundation is so good, you don't need a concealer. But yeah, I'm going to little bit need concealer. A little bit of the product on the back of my hand. You need very little bit of this thing. I'm not going to apply it all over my face. I just want the highlighting places. So I'm going to prime my eyelid. Slightly I'm going to add here. Next, I'm going to take the beauty blender and next I'm going to set my face using a powder. So I have these two powders from Huda Beauty, Sugar Cookie and Kunafa. So I'm going to take Kunafa. So all the products has a beautiful smell. Now this shade Sugar Cookie I'm going to use to bake my under eyes. Next, I don't have a brow product from Huda Beauty, so I'm going to quickly finish off my brows and come back. There are so many eyeshadow palettes. Like I have so many of the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palettes. The quality of all the products are so good. So I'm going to again go for this palette. I'll create a different look with this palette. So first I'm going to take this shade to set the brow bone, and also I'm going to use it to set my entire eyelid. Next, taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to use the shade Karma and apply it in all over my crease. And also I'm going to drag it here. Blends magically. You can see it has given a beautiful structure to my eye. So also I'm going to take this color to my nose contour, then everything will look blended. Next I'm going to take the shade Hot Mess and I'm going to apply it on the outer corners, and basically I'm making a V here, and whatever left I'm going to drag it to my crease. Next I'm going to use some highlighting shade. This is called Golden Glitch. Wow, see, it's so beautiful color. So next I'm going to take little bit of this dark shade using a flat brush, and I'm going to go close to my eyelid. Next I'm going to take the same shades and apply it to my lower lash line. Next I'm going to remove my baking. Next I'm going to use this liner from Huda Beauty. This is the Life Liner, and I'm going to take this side which has the kajal in it, and I'm going to tight line my eyes. So I gave an Arabic eye look using the liner. Very good, it glides beautifully on top of glitter. So next, I don't have a bronzer blush, so I'm going to use this palette from Too Faced and bronze up my face. So I'm going to take this peachy shade, it is called Utopia, and use it as my blush. Next I'm going to take this shade as my highlighter. It's a beautiful, this is called Cosmic, it's a beautiful pinkish shade. For lips I'm going to use a combination of these two lipsticks. So first, it is a very dark shade, so I'm going to line my lips using this. It is very pigmented. On top of it, I'm going to use this liquid lipstick, and it is in the shade Gossip Girl. It is quite nude. I'm going to apply some mascara to my lower lashes. So this is the perfect makeup for Diwali. So yeah, that's the finished look. So this is how I've created this look using all the Huda Beauty product. This eyeshadow palette, I love it. Most of the eyeshadow palettes are good, and this one, the Mercury Retrograde, is more of shimmers, I think. And yeah, this is the look I have created because you guys loved my last video. And so yeah, if you guys want to see more videos on different eyeshadow palettes, please let me know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.